Alright, there it is, my Mini Cooper R56 2007 turbocharged S. And I've had it for a long time, and it's kind of a mess inside, but it's running good. And I got these cheap wheels that are really actually awesome. And I got this carbon fiber hood scoop. Look at that. Because mine melted. I had the plastic one and it melted, and then I was going to replace it, and then I saw that the cost of a carbon fiber one was very cheap, so I bought it. And then there it is, the N14 power plant, and with a custom dipstick right there. I got this. I can't remember the name of the company I got it from, but they specialize in mini stuff, and my coolant's looking a little low right there, but it's full of pressure right now, and if I take this cap off, it'll probably fill back up to. But I just fixed the coolant leak. It was all wet in there, and I replaced the thermostat housing, and everything looked good. The high pressure fuel pump, it's had a lot of issues. Can I get the camera in there? No. Yeah, there it is. There she is. The high pressure fuel pump with the high pressure and low pressure lines. And I went through many of these high pressure fuel pumps. They're not very good, but I finally got a good one, and I put a lot of miles on it, and it's been holding up good. And the authentic mini one was too expensive, so I bought a Peugeot, used the same one. So I got that branded one, and it worked just fine. And check out these turbo lines, the coolant line, the oil feed line, the oil return line. You can't see it, but it's a oh no, you can kind of see it down in there, but it's basically stock. And I just got the cylinder head rebuilt by Precision Engine and Cylinder Head in Dighton, Rehoboth, and they were great. And the cylinder head is awesome. And I got a little bit higher compression now because of the decking of the cylinder head. Took off a little bit of material, and it's loving the higher compression because always thought it was too low. And I got this heat shield here to keep the turbo from burning up. This was it's actually a mini part, but it wasn't sold with the car. It was like a mini aftermarket part, but it's actually a mini brand. And yeah, so I just try to keep things stock and clean looking. And I'm not into car mods or anything like that, but it's a 2007, and I got it painted by Mako. They did this paint job on it that leaves a lot to be desired. Like, look at this overspray. It's just hideous, but it's like, you know what? It was like hitting the pay and spray from Grand Theft Auto. Yeah, nice shiny rotors. And I rebuilt the whole rear end. So this rear end is looking nice. New shocks. And I spray painted everything, so it's really no rust. Yeah, this car's looking good. 2007 in 2025. Look at that tread depth. Amazing tread depth. Yeah, so I just have recently done the clutch. I've done pretty much everything on this car. But now the sunroof is broken. You can see this gap here. It's terrible. Ouch. So I have a new sunroof that I got to put in here. Maybe this weekend, it's Labor Day weekend, and I might put that sunroof in there. But if anyone has any ideas on how to take this headliner out, I'd love to hear it, because I couldn't really find any good videos, and I'm a little nervous, but I have to take this headliner out to put the new sunroof in. It's a tinted sunroof too, so it's gonna change the look in here. So, but yeah, this is a beautiful car, and I love it. So I'm just gonna do everything I can to hang on to it. So let me know your thoughts. Thank you.